just a real quick video today. I had a few items that I got in from a recent purchase from my little scrapbook store on Facebook, and I just wanted to share the items that I got in. There's a lot of different like Nouveau products and stuff. She had these collections, all in the same color family, and I love these type of products. So these are mica mists. This one, let me see here. They put their colors on the side. This one is fresh pear. And I'm just going to spray a little bit here on a little scrap paper. And it has a really good shine. This will be fun to use as like splatter on a project and stuff like that. We have the glimmer paste, the Nouveau drops, that's apple green. And I like to put the little drop on the center. That way when I look down in my container where I store them, I'll be able to see it and grab the color I want. And then that's glitter. And then this is, this will be fun to use actually. This is shimmer powder. And it works kind of like the, what is he called? Oh, hold on. I know the name of it. Ken Oliver powders and stuff like that, where you can put it down, add water, you know, stuff like that. And then the blue one I just showed you, that is, wow, I need my glasses. Well, we'll just leave that alone because I can't see it. But if I can read it, I'll get it. But what I liked about these little kits is how they have the mousse and all the different colors. It also had shimmer powder, which will be fun to use. You know, like sometimes, you know, it's good to add colors, and with Christmas coming around, a lot of those blues and greens are in some of those paper collections, so those will definitely be fun to play with. Now, on their scrapbook store, they make up what they call scrappy bags. And I'm going to show you a few of those. And then she was really sweet and sent me these 4 sheets, I think it is, which are beautiful papers, front and back, double-sided. She sent me those for free, which was super nice. She didn't have to do that. And it actually kind of goes with the collection that I'm getting ready to show you right here. So this was the Happy Scrappy bag. It's the Vicky Bouton. And it came with, obviously, the 12 by 12 paper pad. And I love it because it has this heart paper that I just loved. And I had it in the hip kit, but I wanted to use it again because it's just fun. It's got the rainbow, their front and back pages, and you get 2 of each print, and it's just fun. I like Vicky Bouton. Her stuff is, sometimes it's bold even though it's not like bright, you know what I mean? So, but it's fun to use. I love the rainbowness of it, and you know, it'll just be fun to step out of the norm and use some of her stuff because I haven't used her a lot. This is a sticker book, like a sticker sheets. This is also stickers. It has the borders, some arrows, cameras, and then these are chipboard pieces. They're very similar. And then, of course, the ephemera. And you get all those pieces in the back. And let me tell you, I've had this ephemera pack from a previous kit, and those pieces in there are a lot bigger than you think. So that was one scrappy bag, which is fun, and it'll be really fun to use. Especially all those accessories that kind of like, you know, build up your layouts and stuff like that. And then I also got this scrappy bag, which is the Paige Evans, you know, memory is a very sad thing. Let me grab it. Yes, the Paige Evans, and this is I gotta get Truly Grateful. There it is. It's the Truly Grateful paper collection. So in this one, 12 by 12 paper collection, and this one they are single-sided, but you still get two of all of the. I mean, look at those trees. I love those tree papers, and even that is really fun to use for like cutting out backs of stuff. The rainbow leaves. It's really nice. I love this paper. And then butterflies, you could cut those out, fussy cut. And you got some really pretty colors. And then some cut aparts. And then I believe the cut apart we start over again. Yeah. Yep, so you get two of everything. All right, so that's the paper collection. And then it came with the extra sheet. You get the stickers, which are fun to use. These are like chipboard. Actually, I guess they would be like more like puffy words. And then that's stickers with the multicolor. And then these are phrases, which are fun. So you can just use the whole phrase. You get the pack of flowers. And I love that they've done that now, especially with her collections that separate the flowers. These are more like a regular ephemera pack. And then the wooden accents. Fun, fun, fun. So that'll be fun to use. And then, of course, you know, with the other scrappy bag and all the Nuvo products. So there's going to be tons of fun. I'm not going to have photos at the end. I just really wanted to pop on and just say hello. So here at the very end, I'll have links to previous videos that you guys can check out. And I thank you guys so much for joining me today. And I hope you have a great day.